Welcome back. Mines and Geology Department is on the move to act against the illegal handover of mining leases by the lessees. Show cause notices will be issued to major mining companies like Sesagawa and Dempo for violating Mines and Minerals Rule 36 and 39. The department will likely issue the notices from Monday. Sources inform that the department has identified nearly 53 leases which were transferred without permission of the state and central government.
Mines and Geology Department has identified 53 leases which allegedly violated Mines and Minerals Rule 36 and 37 rules. Department will issue the show cause notices to all 53 leases. These are the leases which were allegedly transferred by lessees without the permission of the state and central government. According to the sources, environmental clearances were issued by the Mines Ministry of Environment and Forest. Indian Bureau of Mines has already approved the mining plan. This can lead to a violation of the Mines and Minerals rules. As per High Court direction, Goa government is planning to renew 27 mining leases who have already paid stamp duty to the state government. Sources inform that nearly 8 mining leases of Dempo Company which were transferred to Sesagawa are stirring trouble. Shah Commission in its final report has already identified 16 such mining leases. Sesagawa 2 leases, Dempo Mining 1 lease, BS Dempo and Company Limited 2 leases, VD Chaugule 1 lease, Chaugule and Company Limited 4 leases, VM Salgaonkar and Brothers Private Limited 3 leases, Kunda Gharse 1 lease, NS Narvekar 1 lease, Maces Amico Goa 1 lease. Shah Commission in its final report has noted that during its investigation, it found that 16 mine leaseholders transferred their leaseholding rights or interest or title, and that transferees are operating the mines without previous consent in writing from the state government or without previous approval of the central government as provided under Rule 37 of MCR 1960. The state government stated this in its Memorandum of Action Taken report that the government will investigate such cases and take appropriate action as per law after following the principles of natural justice of hearing the parties. Bureau Report Prudent.
A mobile shop was burgled in Mapsa. Robbers decamped with mobiles worth 4 to 5 lakhs from a shop in Mapsa. Owner claims that the burglary took place after he closed his shop at 9 p.m. on Friday. The robbers broke open the shutter of the shop, looted branded mobiles and emptied the boxes in the shop. Police and sniffer dogs were roped in after the owners complained of a robbery. However, the robbers are still at large.
वही सब माल गया मोबाइल का, नोकिया का, सैमसंग का, माइक्रोमैक्स का, बावा, वीडियोकॉन 4.5-5 लाख का माल रहेगा अंदाज भी। स्टॉक अंदर लेगा तो मालूम पड़ेगा। बॉक्स सब अंदर छोड़ के गया।
कितने बजे को?
वो तो अभी क्या मालूम है, तो 8:45 बजे बंद करके घर पे गए थे और सुबह 7:30 बजे आए तो मालूम पड़ा।
इन बिटवीन नाईट टाईम कळले नाही, साधारणपणे 8:30 ते आज सकाळी 7:30 ह्याच्या भितर कोणीतरी रात्री ते कितें ते हे केल्ले आहा, ते दार ओपन करून ते मोबायल 50-60 मोबायल कितें हेले अशें म्हणटा कंप्लेनंट. ते सारकें त्यांनी मागीर आमकां कितें ते मेळटलें, मागीर कशें कितें कितले हेला कितें सांग आमकां डिटेल दितलो मागीर. त्या प्रमाणे आमी केस रजिस्टर केल्ली आहा आनी फुडें आमचें कितें आहा ते एफर्ट्स चालू आहा.
Loot worth lakhs at Bicholi. Microfinance company has duped hundreds of investors for lakhs of rupees. The 4 to 5 years old company in Bicholi has not paid the investors their due dividend. Several of these investors are poor laborers and hawkers. Panicked people marched to the company's office but found it locked. The locals then gathered at the Bicholi police station. People claim that it's a scam but crows.
हांगा आता 400 लोक तरी असले, थोडे गेला घरात आणि सगळे मॅक्झिमम असले ते गरीब लोक असले, म्हणजे असे फुटपाथचेर बसपी मुली, भाजीवाल्या, फ्रूटवाल्या. माझे 1,20,000 तरी असले. आणि आता एट प्रेझेंट ब्रांच बंद आसा काय? ब्रांच आम्ही 15 दीस जाले हांव वचूंक ना, 15 दीस पयलीं चालू आसली ती. आता लोक म्हणटा बंद हा म्हणून.
30,000 पैसे आहेत, दोरी ना म्हणून सांगल्या ना 30,000 रुपये हे बँकेने काढून ते बँकेने ते 100 महिन्या 100 वर्षाचा ती दोर म्हणून आपण ज्याबद्दल 30,000 जोडले आहोत. आता बुक बी चालू असा ना, आता पैशात ना आम्ही म्हातारे असा ते जीव नाका म्हाका आता चेहरे उकलून मट्टी उकलून हे करून आम्ही त्रास आम्ही पैसे भरले ते पैसे नाका आम्ही बरी ना बंद करता आमकां त्रास आसा न्हू. आम्ही मात्र जर म्हाका काम जायना आम्ही नाको आमकां पैसे दिवन ना 100 वर्स आसतना दिता ती पैसे ती कंपनी वचूंक ना म्हणून बंद केले ते बंद करतले आम्ही मरता थांब्यान कोण आमकां घालता ती जेवण कोण घालता आमकां कोण पळयता आम्ही मातर आसा म्हणून आमकां जिवाक दवरले आमी.
Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai aims to make his constituency Swachh Fatorda much before Prime Minister Modi starts his campaign of Swachh Bharat from 2nd October. Sardesai has commenced Chaka Chak Fatorda campaign starting with cleaning of Margaon wholesale market. He said before Diwali he will make all wards in Fatorda clean and illuminated.
Chaka Chak Fatorda आम्ही करून सोदतात. हे एक आठवडो जाला आम्ही एक मोहीम चलयल्या. एक ड्राइव सगळे वॉर्डांनी चड करून जंय सारके अशे एंडेमिक एरियाज आहा जंय म्हळ्यार खूब प्रॉब्लेम आहा हे आमी निवळ करून करतले आनी बाय दिवाळी एक फातोर्डा मतदारसंघान निवळसाण आसतली आनी लायटी आसतल्यो कित्याक शायनींग दिवाळी अशें आमचो बेत आहा. आतां काल प्रायम मिनिस्टरान अनाउन्स केल्लें आहा की स्वच्छ भारत म्हणून मोहीम आपूण सुरू करतलो केन्नाच्यान ऑक्टोबर 2nd. आता ही स्वच्छ भारत मोहीम सुरुवात करचे पयलीं स्वच्छ फातोर्डा करपाक आमी सुरुवात केल्ले आहा.
He has also demanded Fisheries Department to construct a fence around the whole market before its redevelopment.
फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान आता आपल्या हाजेर घेतला की होलसेल फिश मार्केट ते बांदतले म्हणून ते डेव्हलप करतले म्हणून. सो पयले हांव तांचे कडेन डिमांड करतलो की कंपाऊंड वॉल बांदचो पयलीं आनी मार्केटाक टायमींग आसचें. अशें हे रिटेल धंदो जो चालू आहा हो रिटेल धंदो सगळे लोक बोळ मारतात आनी ऑल्सो दीस कॅनॉट बी अलाउड. आमी कितलीय जर तांकां सर्वीस दिली जाल्यार हे जे थोडी वागणूक आसता दीस इज वॉट इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम देम. वी कॅनॉट फोर्स देम अबाउट दीस. आनी म्हाका दिसता फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान बेगींतल्या बेगीन तो ती वणत तरी बांदूंक जाय.
Vijay has slammed Margaon municipality for failing in its job. He said cleanliness drive in Fatorda will continue. Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.